To create a progress bar like the one you see on screen in Google Sheets, all you have to do is 1. Write equals SPARKLINE and in its parentheses specify the cell where progress is shown in percentage form. 2. Then open a curly bracket and write charttype in quotation followed by a comma and bar in quotation. 3. Add a semicolon and write max in quotation followed by a comma and a 1. 4. Add another semicolon and write color1 in quotation followed by a comma and then specify the color you want the bar to be, again within quotation. 5. Add another semicolon and then write empty within quotation followed by a comma and a 0 within quotation. Then close the curly bracket and the normal bracket. Now you have a working progress meter that changes as the percentage changes. If you want to learn more tips and tricks related to Google Sheets, check out this playlist, and thank you so much for watching.